I'm happy I finally heard Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo is concerned about the justice or injustice to Vice President Sara. That's good news. Regarding the waste of time here, sabi ni Senator Joker Arroyo, it is useless to argue a legal point with a non-lawyer. When Senator Marcoleta brought that up here, nagkaroon ng commotion.
Ang sakit, no? Nagpakitang kilas si Tulfo. Ang susunod sa'yo magsasalita. Mahirap makipag-argue sa hindi lawyer. So, sa madaling salita, walang kwenta yung sinabi mo, Tulfo. Wala.
Senator Miriam stood up here many times and said, kaya ka nga nagpo 4 years na law school at nagbabar. So let me give my own interpretation. The impeachment court is formed with lawyers and non-lawyers. And we interact, and it's for everyone, and we're equal. But if there's an engineer here or a doctor, and they talk about medical principles, I have to either study and argue on medical principles. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin, hindi, ganito lang yan, logic lang yan, etc. Di ba? So, ang legal principle natin today is simple, integrity ng court. So, allow me to mention that to the people and help educate my colleague here. The integrity of the court and the justices or judges is always relevant. So, if the Supreme Court or COMELEC, Court of Tax Appeals, Sandigan Bayan is being heard and the judges are being threatened, you give them time. So, we cannot take the impeachment out of context. May nangyayaring flood control scandal. May nangyayaring gulo sa Team Unity na hindi na united ngayon. We consider Senator Marcoleta and Senator Jinggoy political prisoners, weaponized yung Blue Ribbon Committee at weaponized yung So Mr. President, hindi tama na sabihin na I wasn't, after we brought up the problem with NBI, they doubled down, naggumawa pa ng task force. I mentioned 2 colleagues sa SALN, I didn't accuse them. Sabi ko lang, just like Vice President Sara, just because tumaas ang SALN, can we already ask for the BIR, for the AMLA and the
Ang punto po dito, Senator Judge po sila. Dapat mabigyan sila ng pagkakataon ay pagtanggol yung kanilang sarili. Kasi po ang nangyayari ngayon, exactly, that is the point. Inuubos Nakakulong na si Marcoleta. Nakakulong na si Jinggoy. At ito nga ang naririnig ko. Galing sa reliable source. Isusunod po itong si Cayetano at si Robin. Pati mga vloggers. Pag hindi na nahimik, ikukulong. Reliable po yan. Sana po mali ako ng pagdinig. Sana po nagkamali. Pero yan po ang plano. Bend the law. Lahat ng maingay at ibubuking yung kagaguhan nila, ikukulong. So, hindi ka pwede magsalita dyan. Senator Judge Kasi ang issue dito, tinatakot. Kita nyo ngayon naglalabasan, nagkataon lang, may ginagawang impeachment. Tapos biglang naglalabasan yung mga kaso na wala namang kakwenta-kwenta laban doon sa mga magagaling like Marcoleta, Cayetano, para hindi sila makapagsalita, para hindi sila makaboto. Kaya nga dapat yan kinokontempt yan Everything, anything na attack sa judge, dapat yan kinokontempt na. So itong mga senador, the likes of Tulfo, imbis na kini-question ninyo yung sinasayang oras kuno, yung ginagamit yung oras ng impeachment court laban o para pag-explain ang kanilang side, dapat kayo mismo naninindigan, teka muna, judge tong mga to. Huwag nyong kasuhan muna. Kasi magtataka ka, dati naman wala silang kaso, ngayon biglang may kaso. Dati naman hindi sinisilip yung SEA Games, ngayon biglang sinisilip. Ngayon biglang sinisilip si Robin. Nakukuha po natin. Dapat kahit hindi mo kaalyado, but since kasamahan mo as senator judge, dapat sama kayo naninindigan. Lintik to sit. Ang pinaninindigan mo yung sa konting oras. Ilang minuto lang, yan na ang pinaglalaban mo sa Pilipinas. Ilang minuto makapagsalita yung kasamahan mong senador. Samantalang nagugutom ang Pilipino, ang Pilipinas dahil sa flood control. Nuknukan ng dami ng nakawan, tahimik ka, kapiranggot na oras. Yan ang pinaglalaban mo, Tulfo. Gago ka ba o ginagago mo mga Pilipino? Dalawa lang yan Ano ka dyan? Gago ka o ginagago mo kami? Ang babaw naman ata ng pinaglalaban mo.
Bank accounts. So sabi ko, yan ang i-discuss namin sa Monday. Nag-react na, nag-accuse. I did not take up your accusations here today. Si Secretary Vince Dizon, 3 beses na nag-verify sa Taguig. Sinabi na 3 beses na walang ghost. Ngayon, i-verify ulit. I wasn't going to bring that up, but then i-question ninyo si Senator Padilla. It was all over the news na hindi niya inintindi or he snubbed the ombudsman. I was going to stand up before Senator Erwin stood up just to say, may registered mail. So nung una pa lang, 5 minutes si Senator Tulfo. So I'll take the 5 minutes also if you don't mind.
The gentleman may proceed and kindly be mindful of the time.
Yes, I will now.
At saka may yung 5 minutes nito si Cayetano, hindi pa ulit-ulit, 'di ba? May saysay, hindi sabaw.
So I'm just saying, Senator Padilla just stood up to say, sumusunod siya sa batas. Tapos, kaya humaba to dahil nga hindi importante ata dito yung integrity ng judge. Lastly,
Oh, pinahaba rin ni Tulfo.
kaya sinabi kong it's useless to argue a legal point. Ilang beses ko na narinig dito. It's our job to clear or prosecute the Vice President. Hindi po. It's our job to try and to decide. It's the prosecution's job to try to prosecute, and it's the defense job to convince us na wala. Our job is to try and to decide. And when you
Aray, sapul yung mga bobo. Nagmamagaling kasi. Tulfo, hello.
decide, you acquit or you convict. Why is that important? These are legal terms. Hindi pwedeng yung nanonood na law student ngayon sasabihin, trabaho pala ng judge to clear or to prosecute. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer, Mr. Senate President.